Hi everybody, Brendan here from TaT. In this video, I want to run through a really common problem on the PX Ford Ranger or the similar Mazda BT50 of the engine surging. Now, I'm bringing this up because they have many common faults that can cause the same symptom on this model, and we see it often in our technical assistance for TaT members. Now, if we were looking at our repair solutions, it's easily findable. So you can use our AI Tech Tina to simply use natural language, write something like PX Ford Ranger surging. It's as easy as that. She'll go through, she'll search all our repair solutions. I've even made a technical video on some of these because they are that common. So I will run through the most common ones that we see. In technical assistance, if you're not searching properly, you can end up in there, and we've seen people replacing MAF sensors, turbos, high pressure pumps, injectors, the list goes on. Now, some of these can be causes of surging, but it's important to look at what yours is actually doing. In the repair solutions, go through the diagnostic procedure of what data to be looking at so that you can prove without pulling anything apart and know exactly what is wrong with your vehicle. So the most common ones on these ranges, if we're getting engine surging at higher loads, and the higher the load goes, the worse it feels. Now, the good thing to look at there on your live data is you'll see that your desired fuel pressure is still high, whereas your actual fuel pressure is dropping in and out, fuel starvation. That's the high pressure fuel pump generally. So the springs break internally on the high pressure fuel pump, and it's just not able to provide the load at those higher loads. If we have something where it's surging at idle, that's more often than not going to be the suction control valve, and you can look at the repair solution for that one. The electrical issues can come into it like any vehicle. So if you've got a very erratic type surging hesitation, usually accompanied by at least one fault code, which makes that one at least a little bit easier. Of course, like any vehicle, you can have electrical issues as we've got in another repair solution. And then the most common one that we're seeing lately. So if you are experiencing surging while accelerating, for all money, you would say that it feels like a fuel issue. The thing feels like it is physically starving for fuel, and you're getting these cutouts as you accelerate. Now, by looking at our repair solution, we can quickly direct you into the data PIDs to be looking at, because there's a list of 200 or so there, so it can be difficult to try and graph them all and pick out which one it is. What you want to be looking at is the exhaust gas temperature sensor. So that is the sensor that lives in the exhaust manifold, and it will behave perfectly at lower loads. But then as you accelerate harder, you will see under the extreme heat stress, that temperature sensor will start to give very erratic readings. Now, the ECU knows nothing else to do but protect the engine at such wild temperatures, so it pulls back load. And that's the key to be looking at. While the other ones, we may have seen that our desired fuel pressure was staying high, and of course the actual fuel pressure was dropping off. In this case, you'll see that desired fuel pressure actually drops off. It's requesting the fuel pressure to drop off. So don't be led astray saying, oh, my fuel pressure is going up, 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 and then it just drops out. Well, it's being told to, isn't it? We need to look at the inputs that is going in to create that load message. And in this case, it's the input failing of the exhaust gas temperature sensor up in the exhaust manifold. Something that if you did not have the repair solution can be very difficult, extremely easy for TaT members. We can just go to AI Tech Tina there, put in a natural language prompt, and within seconds, she's giving you direction. You know exactly where to go look, how to test it, how to prove it. Before you know it, the car is fixed and out the door. So if you want access to thousands of repair solutions, good scan, scope data, and technical assistance, join the thousands of TaT members that are taking advantage of this, sharing knowledge, information, and experience.